everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Compass Real Estate up here in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through this fiveplex that is right around the corner from the village. The address is 784 Berkeley and just hit the market for 1.5. Come check this one out. Okay, so here we are starting out from the street. It is a main road running parallel to us right now, and then there's like a little loop that goes back to that main road. And when I say main road, I really don't mean main road. I mean, it's kind of not so commonly used, except if you live there, or one of these off streets. So really quiet back here on Berkeley. It comes down Berkeley and then turns into Marin. So this is again going to be 5 units. So this is the first unit that we're going to be looking at. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, and then you have 4 other units over here. So if you and 4 other friends and family members wanted a place in Big Bear, you could pick these each up for about like, I think the math's about $187.5 a piece, except you have to buy the whole thing. So we are on our way. Kind of an adventure because the parking right now is covered in snow, as you can see. And almost there. It's kind of a shame you can't see the grounds right now, because it's a really cute little common area out here. All right, so here we are, the entrance, and then you do have a deck off the main living room right here. Be a good spot for a little hot tub or something. Otherwise, you could have a common hot tub, would be nice. So very cute. This one does have a lodge license, so they are able to short-term rental all of these. They currently rent them out with village reservations. And they've got this beautiful historic fireplace. It's really pretty. And I love how they have this plumbing work in here. And then they do have central heating in this main house. Large tile flooring. And then I'll take you out here. Just kind of like a side door area that a dog run, maybe. You can pull a car down here if you wanted to. Car, boat, you know, RV. Then you got your little game table here. And then this is the part that I love the most, is these hardwood floors in this main unit. I mean, that's just about as big as my foot. So first bedroom, just simple twin bed, nicely decorated. This is a solar tube. High ceilings, I mean, I cannot reach them. So here's bedroom number 2 in the main unit with a little built-in closet, armoire, and another twin bed. If you ask me, I think you could probably get a queen in here, but for sure a double if you wanted to have more space for that. And then we're gonna go, let's knock out all the bedrooms first. So this is going to be more of the master, I would say. So you've got a cute little closet right here. And then this is an actual walk-in closet. So that one's more like, let's call it a shoe closet. But you definitely have, say, a double bed right here. And then we've got a jutted tub. Here. In the master bathroom with a little wall heater too. But good lighting. You don't really need much light on in here. And we're gonna go into the kitchen. I have to turn that light on. So this is one of my favorite parts right here. This is wallpaper. Just kind of gives it a little fun funkiness. Kitchen, where we have a stove and a dishwasher. These are for mica countertops, but very clean for rental. Little Lazy Susan. And kitchen island. And then we'll go into the laundry room. So again, that same large tile flooring in here. And a squeaking alarm. Looks like maybe access to the ceiling up there, to the attic. And then out back here, you can kind of get a little bit of a view of, they have a garage right here that comes with. And so for most properties where they have multiple units, they're not allowed to all be short-term rentals. You usually only get one rental permit per parcel. But again, this one is able to rent the units. And so this is going to be the full bathroom that shares with the other two bedrooms that don't have the bathroom. Or of course, any visitors too. So what I'm going to do is now take you over to the other 4 units. And so these other 4 units, they get rented quite often. Because they're usually just couples with small kids that are coming up, or even just people that, you know, want to vacation together but separately. They can each rent a unit and be separate but together. So let's take our adventure. I do not advise you to wear shoes like this in the snow, because they have zero traction whatsoever. But that is my fault. Okay, I made it. Okay. So it looks like next door you've got some that are rentals, some that might be owner occupied and or second homes. So here's the first unit. I'm gonna go in a separate way. So unit 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Going into what they call unit 1, which is gonna be a 1-bedroom, so 1 car. And max people in here is gonna be 2 because it's a 1-bedroom. So you got this cute little outdoor table. We're gonna come in, and it's kind of just more of like a studio setup in here. So I will just pan around first, and we'll get a little bit of a closer look. So you've got a little bar area to sit and eat, and it is electric heating in here. A little kind of apartment style kitchen, little retro series, but nice subway tile. Cutting board countertop and a queen bed. There's their permit information. And yeah, that one looks like a gas heater, but you also still look like that electrical is still there too. So here we have remodeled shower. Very clean in here too. It's almost like they coated an older tile. I like the look of that. All right. So I will leave unit 1, as they call it, and we will go to unit 2. Gotta be careful because it's icy around here. Whoa. Snowfall. They've painted the outside somewhat recently, each on separate meters. And again, kind of the same layout on this one. Little dining area over here. Just all you would need for a little cabin visit to Big Bear. These are dual pane windows. Apartment style. Kitchen. Good sink, good size sink. And another queen bed. So in this whole complex, you're getting 8 bedrooms. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bedrooms. That's what I meant. So it's 8 bedrooms, 187,000 per bedroom, which is not bad because you cannot find any 1 bedrooms in Big Bear Lake for 187. But as far as the 5 units, it's going to be 300,000 a unit. And keep in mind that the first one was much bigger than all of these. Okay, we're going into unit 3, which is again gonna be a studio, 2 people, 1 car. So this one, they didn't quite clean it yet, but it wasn't bad. It's really pretty how they did that. Just kind of like some cool antique furniture. Gas and electric heating. I love these kind of like step-in showers. I think they're really charming. So I was told her lodge permit last year was only about $44, which is really good for a permit in Big Bear Lake. And then, so each of these units also, I don't know if you've noticed, have their own parking as well. And then this one's got a little bit of a bigger parking spot because this one is the 2-bedroom, but right now they really only have it set up as a 1-bedroom. Cute flooring. Covered for Micah. Good sized alleyway kitchen. And then this one has a fireplace. So 2 fireplaces in the whole entire place, in the whole entire complex. Nice hardwood floors. Another step-in shower. We'll go to the other bedroom. And so you've got your dining here. Little couch. Living room area. Perfect little place for, you know, just a little family of 4. And you could easily turn this into a bedroom. That closet or that door goes into the other bedroom. So next I'm going to take you over. I'm probably not going to take you too far in because the snow is piled up, but I'm going to take you close to see what I can show you on the garage. So here's the edge of the property line right here. And this is a driveway. That house up there is the first house that we looked at. Right here. So you've got a driveway that goes in. You've got an open garage door down there. And then 2 lockable garage doors too. And then also a nicely treed lot. And right around the corner from the village, definitely walking distance. So let me know if you have any questions about 784 Berkeley. Talk to you soon. Bye.